Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be working on a Tidy Tuesday for you guys. I know I have not brought you one in a couple of weeks, but it just seems like we've been running, busy. But today you're going to get one. So if you're new to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakima. I'm a single mom with 4 kids, 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog, and we just inherited a grandma. We are living our very best life here in our North Carolina home, and we're just doing all the things that people do to make their houses homes. So today I'm standing in front of my front closet. This is not a hallway. This is kind of the foyer area, but I have a closet here. And in this closet I have 2 things. I have winter coats and the vacuum cleaner, because this part of the house is carpet, so it's just easier to keep the vacuum cleaner here. But I also have Jackson's homeschool stuff, Alana's homeschool, their bags, not their homeschool stuff, but their bags. I try to keep my work bag in this space, and we really just need to pick it up a little bit. But the main area that I'm going to be working in is at the top of the closet. So right up here at the top, I keep all of my YouTube stuff, like things I have to mail out, or if I'm, sending out prizes for giveaways or whatever. And I just need to do a better job of utilizing that space, because in my office area, which is over there, I have some things that are sitting. Let me share with you what that looks like. So this is where my office is. You've seen that ottoman before. And here is where I've been keeping things that I need to either preview, or packages that have come in the mail that I haven't done videos for, just so it is here as a reminder. But as you can tell, it's starting to pile up, and I am not a pile person. I'm a classic cricket, but I don't want to see the piles. Like, I can do a pile and put it behind a closed door and be okay with it until I can get to it, but I don't like to see the piles. So what I'm going to do is take everything that is here and move it to the front hall closet, where I have a space that will fit it. Now my lighting is not the best, so of course down here is where I have all my school, Jackson's school bag, mom's school bag. This bag doesn't even go in here, and I don't know why it is here. Here is the vacuum cleaner. But up here is where I keep all of my Nadine West bags that I've already previewed. And then I got those 2 baskets from Goodwill that I'm just storing things in. Things that need to go out if I'm doing an eBay or something like that. And so what I'm going to do is transfer everything that I have in that little corner up here to this space. Now these 2 baskets I did get from Goodwill about 2 or 3 years ago. I found those pieces. They fit really well in that space, and it's worked, but I'm still not utilizing it to its full potential. If I could, I would actually have another shelf put in here so that I can put smaller boxes up there, but right now I don't have the means to do that. I may get handy-mandy to put a shelf in there, but for right now I'm just going to utilize that top space as best I can. I am going to get rid of those Nadine West bags because I'm not using them, and they really can go ahead and go, but I'm just going to take 15 minutes to tidy up this space right here. Alrighty, you guys, so there it is. I only did the top portion. I did not do this portion. So ignore this for right now. I'm actually trying to find a bookshelf that I can use in here. And then I have zero clue where to put my coats, because seeing them all in here like this really distresses me. But that's what a coat closet is for. So I'm going to leave it for now. But this bottom stuff, I'm going to find a bookshelf to put all of my school bag. So like this is my luncheon pad. Because when I come in, I put my work bag here. I usually can put my purse here. So I have to find a bookshelf for that. So for now, I'm leaving it as is. I just focused on this top part. And so I have all of my mailing stuff goes in here. And then anything that I'm working on, here's a couple projects I've got to do, are in this bag. But I've cleaned that out pretty decent, and I'll show you the corner. So there's that corner now cleaned out, and here is my calendar. I bought this at Goodwill, hoping to use it for some YouTube stuff. And so I just need to find the right place to put it so I can write out the YouTube projects that I have going on at the moment to keep me straight. So I'm still going to use that. I just haven't used it quite yet, but I have big plans. So anywho, that corner is cleaned out, which is most helpful. And I may even put this calendar in the closet until I can come up with what I want to do with it. So anyway, you guys, there it is, a Tidy Tuesday. It's very simple in my brain to think, okay, I can take 15 or 20 minutes, have a total mess, and then get the mess cleaned up or get it straightened up. Perfect. I used to be, I'm not going to lie and say I'm still not a perfectionist. I pretty much am, but I'm okay if I get a tidy done. I like a tidy. An untidy space drives me insane. I cannot live. But if I could get a just a tidy space until I have more time to go in and do a deeper clean, then I can be okay with that. And I hope that you can be okay with that. So there it is, you guys, this week's Tidy Tuesday. Only took us about 15 minutes with everybody working together. My kids jump in and help me whenever I ask them. They're very good about that. So we just wanted to thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this YouTube community. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.